Topic for today is pretty much easy topic. We'll try to complete it as early as possible. Matrices. Okay. Instead of writing as matrices. Sorry, spelling mistake. Matrices and determinants. Okay. So now you people have come across matrix. So what exactly is matrix? First, what exactly is matrix? You're not able to tell it, sir. If you ask a question, I'll tell you. Okay. Now, if I'm telling there are five people.
In rows and columns.
Sorry?
Arranging the numbers in rows and columns.
Arranging the numbers in rows and columns. Yes, in rows and columns, you have something like this: 4, 5, 8, 9, something like this. Wherever it is represented in form of a square bracket, and some elements are there. So in this, these are called as rows, and these are called as columns. Pretty much simple. So how many elements are there in this matrix? Obviously, there are 4 elements. What is the order of this matrix? Order is always represented by the number of rows into number of columns, right? Pretty much simple. So the number of rows you have is row number 1, row number 2, and the number of columns you have is column number 1 and column number. The order of the matrix is going to be 2 cross 2. If in case I'm giving something like this: 1 0 1 0 0 2 3 0 1. So now here, what is the order of the matrix over here? How many rows we have? Okay, 3 cross 3. Okay, this is going to be the order of the mat. Okay, pretty much simple. Okay. Now, if I am only putting something like this: 1 3 5, and this I'm representing it as A. Okay, now this kind of matrix is called as a row matrix, where you have a single row. Or if I tell something like this: 3 6 9 or 3 6 7, this kind is called as a column matrix. Okay, so now what's the reason I'm naming everything is, in the questions whatever is asked in the examination, competitive examination, they won't mention the sentence like find out the value and all these. They will tell the given is a column matrix or the given is a singular matrix, so find out the answer. So you need to know what is a singular matrix, what is a row matrix, what is a column matrix in order to answer the questions. Else it would become difficult, right? All are basic ones, so you won't find it so difficult to remember. Okay. Now next is null matrix or zero matrix. Null matrix or zero matrix. These are nothing but whenever you have 0 inside the matrix. Okay. This is called as a null matrix or zero matrix. Now what's the order of this matrix? 2 cross 2 is the order. Fine. Next, the next set of matrix is called as a square matrix. Now, most of the questions asked in your examination will be mostly from a square matrix. Okay, I'm just telling mostly from a square matrix. So in this square matrix, you can represent it in this way: 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a square matrix A, where the order is going to be 2 cross 2. The rows and the columns are going to be same in case of a square matrix. For example, A, if it is like a 3 cross 3, I'm going to write it as 3 6 3 5 7 9 8 6 1 2 4. Okay. Now here the rows and the columns are equal, and this is also a square matrix. Fine, pretty much simple till here. Next, you are having something called as a rectangular matrix. Here you can do it this way: 1 3 5 7 8 9. So this becomes a rectangular matrix where you have 2 rows and 3 columns. The column size would be bigger than the row size. Then it's called as a rectangular matrix. Fine. Next, diagonal matrix. Now, what is called as a diagonal matrix is, imagine that this is the given matrix, and here you have 2 3 4 0 0 0 0. Okay, so now the elements apart from the diagonal element, all the other elements apart from the diagonal are going to be 0, or the opposite sides of the diagonal elements are going to be 0. This kind of a matrix is called as a diagonal matrix. It is not only for a 3 cross 3, even for 2 cross 2 it can be the same: 4 5 0 0. This is also a diagonal matrix. Fine. Now, okay, this is called as a diagonal matrix. Then we have the next one is called as the scalar matrix. Scalar matrix, the diagonal elements are going to be same. For example, 6 6 6 0 0 0 0 0 0. Whenever the diagonal elements are same, instead of 6 it can be 5 4 3, whatever it is, whatever number it is. If the diagonal elements are same and the side elements of the diagonals are 0, then it's called as a scalar matrix. Fine. Unit matrix. Here it can be represented as 1 0 0 1. The diagonal elements are going to be 1. The diagonal elements, the values are going to be 1. Then this is called as a unit matrix. Even this can be in terms of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Even this is a diagonal matrix or a unit matrix.
Sir?
Yes.
Is it like identity matrix?
Yes, this is also an identity matrix. Okay. Unit matrix, identity matrix, all are same. Fine. Next. Okay. If imagine this is the given. Imagine A is equal to 5 6 7 8. A is equal to 5 6 7. How do you write A transpose? What is transpose of a matrix? matrix?
Rows becomes columns, columns become rows.
So right now in the matrix A, these are the rows and these are the columns. In A transpose, the rows becomes the columns. For example, the first row, this becomes the first column. In the second row, this becomes the second column. Now this becomes the A transpose of this one. What is A transpose is this? Then I will give you another example. If A is equivalent to 1 minus 3, 5, 6, 2, 4. Okay. What is A transpose for this? What is A transpose of this? Going to be 1 minus 3 and 5 and 6, 2, 4. Right? This is going to be A transpose. And if I tell what is phi A transpose, how will you write it? Phi A
Sir,
transpose
we
is nothing
should
but a simple multiplication.
multiply with everything.
Yes, it is going to be multiplied. Phi A transpose can be written as phi into 1 can be 5. This is going to be 30. This is going to be minus 15. This is going to be 10. This is going to be 25. This is going to be 20. This is nothing but phi A transpose. So whenever you multiply, okay, this is one more thing. Whenever you multiply a matrix by a number, each and every element of the matrix is going to be multiplied by that number. 5 into 5, 5 into 6, 5 into 7, 5. Okay. So this is one more important thing to remember. Next. Okay. A is equivalent to 4, 6, 9, 8. Okay. And B equal to 10, 9, 5, 4. B equal to 10, 9, 5. Now I want you people to find out what is A plus B, what is A minus B, and what is A cross B. A cross B. Okay. Three things. So you all people have done matrices in your school level. Based on that, I'm just asking you to solve these three things. I hope you remember it. So now when I want to multiply or like when I want to add two matrices, what should be common or what I should keep in mind? When
The
I
order
need
should be
to,
same.
order should be same. Yes, this is 2 cross 2. This should also be 2 cross 2. Only then you can add or subtract. If this is 2 cross 2 and some other matrix is 2 cross 3, sorry, you cannot add it. And when you multiply, what should happen?
Column
When you
and
multiply,
column should be
sorry?
same. Column and column should be same, or rows and rows should be same.
When you multiply the column of first matrix and the row of the first and the row of the second matrix will be the resultant. If it is AB, this is going to also be 2 cross 2. Example, if I'm telling A matrix is 3 cross 4 and B matrix is 2 cross 3. Now, what will be AB matrix order?
4 cross 2.
4 cross 2. This will be the order of AB matrix, right? Okay. Now, hope this is clear. Now, I want you people to solve it and let me know the answer quickly.
Sir, A plus B is 14, 15, 14 also.
A minus B is going to be minus 6.
6 minus 3.
Minus 3 and then 4 and then 4, right? So whenever you add and subtract, the first element is going to be added with the first element of B matrix. The second element is going to be added with the second element of B matrix. Third element of A is going to be added with the third element of B matrix. Fourth element is going to be added with the fourth element of B matrix. The same holds good for subtraction also. Pretty much very basic, very basic. Now what happens in terms of your AB? A multiplication B. What happens? 4, 6, 9, 8 multiplied by 10, 9, 5, 4. When you need to multiply these two things, then what happens? A plus B, A minus B, all did it. Easy. What happens in A, B?
Sir, we should multiply with column and row, sir.
Okay. So this row and this column. Okay, fine. Next, since this is 2 cross 2 and this is 2 cross 2, obviously this also will be 2 cross 2. Fine. This also will be 2 cross 2. Since the columns here, the rows here are going to be 2 cross 2. Fine. Now, how will you do it? Now, what happens? The first row elements is going to get multiplied with the row elements of the second one and the row element of the third. Try it. I will help you out later. You try it first.
Sir.
Yes.
60, 88, 135, 104.
Okay. The first element will be 4 into 10, 40 plus 6 into
20.
5, 30, right? So now this element, okay, for other people, how will you multiply is this element into 10 plus this element into 5. This will be the first element of the multiplication. Okay. Now next, second element will be this element into 9 and this element into 4 and these two will be added. 4 into 9 is 36 plus 6 into 4 is 24. And third element will be this 9 into 10 plus 8 into 5. 9 into 10 is 90, 90 plus 40. 8 5s are 40. The fourth element will be 9 into 9 is 81, 81 plus 32. This is going to be the answer for this. Whatever answer you get, okay? All these are some random numbers, like just to make you people understand how this multiplication is done. If it is BA, is the answer going to be same? AB, you got this answer. Is BA answer going to be same?
No, sir.
Yes.
No.
No, sir.
AB won't be equivalent to BA. Answer will be different. Okay. It will be a different answer. So this you should remember. Fine. So these are some basic things. Very, very basic.